I'm just doing a quick warp around of our new product, which is the solar skid. So this setup has got 5.1 kilowatts of solar per skid, which is 12 425 watt panels. It folds down so that you can ship it around easily. We've got electric actuators on the front and the back, so they can fold it down into position to go straight on the back of the truck within a matter of minutes, set up on the ground and have power on the side. So on the back, we've got one of our Commodore power hubs. This is the commercial unit, so I can get 12 batteries, 3-phase inverter system inside, and have the ability to plug in the generator as well. We've got a DC 48-volt air conditioning system on the side here. The cabinet's all insulated, so that allows it to take all your electronics nice and cool, operating at the optimal temperature. Solar regulator inside, taking the power off the panels and charging the batteries up. So the whole idea here is just to make something that's portable, it's easy to set up, and in a matter of minutes you can have single-phase or 3-phase power on the site. I'll just do a bit more of a walk around. You can see the actuators on the front, that'll bring that front row of panels down in line with the edge of the power hub so that it can go on the back of a truck. Contain it, toss it like on X corner. So you can put it again on a standard tilt tray, a truck for shipping. So the idea here as well is that inside the power hub we've got room to plug more solar array in. So if you need more power, to put a second skid beside it and plug that straight into the unit to give a higher charge rate of the panels.